This is the Iron Trader. We're going to do a little bit early today. We're going to take a look at crude and we're going to take a look at natural gas. The pit should close here probably about a half an hour. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, nothing has really changed here from this morning, but what you have here is it gapped up. This was all that OPEC that they were going to cut supply, and then it went right up, but you notice that it could not get in above this key 200 SMA. All right, so now what it's been doing, it bounced around for a couple, 3 days, and now look at the red candles. You got lower lows, okay? That's really never good, okay? So let's look at what our support levels are here. All right, so what we want to look at is obviously we want to look at today's low, which was 78.53. Okay, now the gap is right here at $79, like I've been pointing out, and your fill here is at 75.72. Now, there's a lot of support in between. So we want to look at this 21 SMA here. You're looking at 77.06. Okay, you want to look at this 8 SMA. You're looking at 76.36. And then here on your daily, you want to look at this one. This is key. This is 77.20. You want to look at your 100 SMA here. These are 76.88. And then you want to look at your 50-day here at 76.39. Now, those are all your support levels. This actually here on the monthly, this now is below. It really needs to close above here in the next half hour above the 78, 79, 79 level here. That gives you a chance here to keep this sideways action going here. Okay, if not, you're going to test these levels here and then fill the gap. Now, when you get down to these levels, and that price holds, or you put in a lower high or a red dog, something like that, then that's a good buying opportunity because you're coming into summer driving here now. So let's look on the upside. So on the upside, we want to look at yesterday's candle here. Okay, you're sitting at 79.91. You want to look at the previous days. That's sitting at 80.47. And then you want to look at this key 8 SMA here, sitting at 81.42. If you can get above, then you got a shot here back at the 83.11, which is your 200 SMA. And then your retest level here is sitting at 83.53. That's on the upside. If you can close above that, then we have the 21 SMA here sitting at 85.97, and then your 87.72, which is your 50-day SMA here on your weekly chart. But let's just not get excited here. Let's just see how this sideways action. When you put in lower lows, that's good for scalping, but you don't want to say, I'm going to jump in and take me a big, huge, long position here until you can get a higher low, a red dog, something that tells you that the selling is done, or if you go into some key support levels and they hold. All right, here we have the natural gas. Now, if you look at here on the daily chart, we were trading against this low right here. This was 1.967. On Friday, it made a lower low at 1.946, but it bounced off, had a nice green candle, and then went higher for 3 days. But look where it went, right into this 50 SMA. This is why you trade the charts, okay? So when somebody says, oh, it's going higher, it's going this, look at the charts and let them tell you this is the roadmap of where you want to go. It went right into 50 and it cannot get through. So now what we have to do is we have to look at what are your support levels. So your 8 SMA here crossed above your 21. That's a good sign. That's 2.189. Okay, your 21 here is 2.159. Okay, those are your support levels. If it comes down and say it closes below that, then we want to look at the possible retest of 1.946 and to see if that holds, if it puts in a higher low. But right now, we're just doing the sideways action. So again, on the upside, watch this key 8 SMA here, 2.315. Watch this 50-day, 2.369. If it can go higher, then you got a good close above. Then you got a good shot here at this retest, which is 3.027. You have a chance at this 21-day here at 3.346, and then the key on this 200 SMA on your weekly at 3.75. But nothing here really has changed. You had some really nice scalping opportunities here. We with the boil, but then you sell right into that until you can close above. But you basically just have the sideways action. You got a real nice base going here. So just don't get excited about it. Let's just see. We have a red candle today, which is a lower low. So let's just see how this shakes out like on tomorrow. But just watch these key levels here: the 50-day, the the 8 SMA here on your weekly, and then on the downside, watch this 21, watch this 8 SMA, and if that's lost, then watch the 1.946 retest. All right, thanks for watching.